With regards to the assembly of scaffolding, there are many rules in Japan, such as the standard of scaffolding used, as well as the assembly method. In addition, the use of handrails and the use of fall prevention help contracted workers to have a safe work environment. This time, the scaffolding being used is called the next generation due to it being more safe, more durable, and more workable than the standard scaffolding. We have created this video so that everyone can have a better sense of safety, speed, and so that even beginners can learn how to use this scaffolding. So put this video on your phone and don't just watch it once. Watch it as many times for your skills. Well then, let's start. First, we will check the materials that have reached us. Once we have finished checking, we'll be able to see if there are any irregularities within the materials. The materials used to assemble the scaffolding are hammer, level, ratchet wrench. While looking at the scaffolding construction plan, we will determine what parts we need to use for the construction range. Due to the fact that the plan drawing is based on the design drawing, there may be inconsistencies. In that case, let's start our work after confirming which possible differences between the design drawing and the building site. First, we must take measures to make sure that any people unrelated to the project are prevented from entering the area where the scaffolding will be assembled by creating an exclusion zone. While confirming with the drawing plans, we will be able to mark where the scaffolding will be placed. If there is any unevenness on the surface, please remove it. We will correct the terrain at the assembly point as much as possible. Now let's use the base plate. While looking at the drawing plan, we confirm the position of the leg portion and place the floorboards. Using a propeller level, let's confirm the position of the boards. Once the base plate has been placed, let's continue building the scaffolding. Insert the base plate and tie the cloth material in the direction of the beam of the two columns. At least 2 people should work on the first span. For the bottom portion, use the struts dedicated to ground rooting. At this time, if there is a gap between the flange and the cloth material, it will cause horizontal aiming, so drive it firmly. We will make 2 of these. Install the cloth material in the direction of the girder. Check the diagonal dimensions so that the assembled first span is rectangular. Once it becomes rectangular, we will include the cloth. This rectangle will become the base of our footpath. Let's continue to install the columns, confirm the level, and tie them together. At this time, temporarily fix the cloth material in the girder direction so that it can be passed through a wedge. Once everything is fairly completed, make sure that the path is straight. The conformation of the footpath involves both ends using both your eyes and a water level. When the adjustment is finished, it will be tied up one by one. Attach the cloth material to the flange around the waist on the building side in the direction of the girder. This cloth material is called the first cloth, and it is the first horizontal material from the ground that constitutes the scaffolding in terms of strength and is a very important member. Let's install the leading handrail on the outside.
When viewed from the inside of the scaffold, the leading railing crosses the left side at the back and the right side at the front.
This thread has a stronger material than water, however, this is also the first cloth. With this, the bottom layer of assembly is complete. Let's check to see if we've forgotten anything. Now we will check the positioning of the cloth. We've already confirmed that everything is horizontal. This is because we've used a level. Now all you have to do is connect the flange. Attach the leading handrail to the outside of the first layer.
Left side is back, right side is front.
After using the cloth materials, make sure that you use the flange to place handrails 2 levels higher than where we were before. Let's check. Always precede the leading handrail when assembling, and leave it until the end when disassembling. The leading handrail not only gives workers a sense of security, but also plays an important role in protecting their lives by attaching fall prevention equipment. Now, let's install the first layer of cloth board. Move near the center in order to not create a gap. Make sure that the ends of the cloth material are locked. After the flooring has been installed, let's install the stairs and the handrails.
Please install the handrail in 2 steps.
Climb the stairs and install the first opening guard. Make sure to tightly screw in all of the screws of the opening guard. Inside the inner portion, let's install the cloth material in 2 stages. Hook the fall prevention device on the leading railing and take measures to prevent it from falling. Install the wall on the inside as well as on the gable side. Make sure to press the lock in tightly. Make sure to attach the outside boards using a flange. This skirting board is an important thing that prevents things from falling to the lower layer. With that, the first layer is complete. Check to see if there is any residual material left on the work floor. Now, let's install the second support layer. Once you have finished that layer, now we will use a lock pin to start the next layer.
We will assemble the upper layer in this order: prop, beam direction cloth, leading handrail, cloth board, stairs handrail, stairs, opening handrail, girder direction cloth material, and lumber.
Please hand over the materials to the upper layers while communicating with each other. Continue in this manner until all of the upper levels are completed. Assembling the upper layer will be done while simultaneously constructing the wall joints that will serve as scaffolding. After assembling, carry the remaining materials to the collection site.
Try to keep the accumulated materials tidy. Disassembling the scaffolding is done in the reverse order of assembly. Of the 3 major disasters in the construction industry, falls are the most common, and scaffolding-related disasters account for most of them. As a company that provides scaffolding to our customers, we would like to play a part in safe manufacturing by creating and disseminating safe assembly procedures such as this video. Safety first.